Welcome to MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. My name's Stuart Caldwell. Today we're going to walk through the Crest II 220. This particular floor plan has two loungers up front. You have plenty of storage underneath the seats and the in-floor storage. You'll notice that this particular model has our tan interior along with the tan flooring. Here at the helm you have the gauges for RPM, trim, fuel, hours, and depth, along with your Fusion stereo. You have two captain's chairs. This particular boat also has a changing station. We will also install a table mount at the place that you prefer. In the back, you also have two loungers. Again, storage underneath. And then this particular boat comes with a 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke motor and a ski and tubing tow bar. Please come by and see us again at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. The address is 5800 Lanier Islands Parkway. Hope to see you soon.